Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video on how I did my IT fundamentals FC0U61. That is the latest certificate IT fundamentals. For all those who are planning to make their career in IT, this is for you. My name is Sheikh Rashid Javed. I am Microsoft certified trainer, certified EC Council instructor, certified cybercrime intervention officer, and also a part of Cisco Networking Academy. Almost 20 plus global certifications related to network security and cloud. I deal with a lot of organizations, private, government, defense, and discuss on network security and cloud related certifications. So let's see what we have here. There are 5 modules. Module 1 is on using computers. So here we'll understand common computing devices, how to use a workstation, how to use the operating system, how to manage operating system, troubleshooting and support. Module 2 is on how to use apps and databases. We'll understand data types and units, how to use apps, programming and app development, how to use a database, how to use apps and databases. Module 3 is on how to use computer hardware. Here we'll understand system components, how to use device interfaces, using peripheral devices, using storage devices, how we use a file system. Module 4 is on how to use networks. Here we'll understand basic networking concepts, how to connect to a network, how to do a secure web browsing, how to use a shared storage, how to use a mobile device. Module 5 is on security concept. So here we'll understand basic security concept, how we use best practices, using access control and behavioral security concept. So if you understand here, it is for those who are going to interact with computers, apps, databases, how to use a computer hardware, networks and security. So all these 5 modules, if we go through them in detail, there's a lot of content and it will be easy for us to pass this exam. So this is the latest FC0U61 which came back in September 4, 2018. There are 75 questions and you got multiple choice questions, 60 minutes to answer 75 questions. Now you can understand here it is not that easy since those are multiple choice questions. So it will be okay if we are done through the preparation, if we have gone through all the content, if we have gone through all the labs, it will be easy for us to pass this exam. So planning, I would say 3 weeks if you know a little bit about these topics, or I would say 1 month if you have no idea about these topics. So 5 days to go through the course content, 1 module each day, 3 days to go through the lab. I'm going to show you what we have in lab, 3 days to go through practice questions and also how to find practice questions, and 3 days to revise. So if you follow this plan, I can assure you that it will be easy for you to pass this exam. So let me open these 2 links which we have on the screen. So one is an official link which talks about what we have in this, and other one is on what we have in the lab. So I'm going to open both these links here. So this is about CompTIA IT fundamentals. It talks about what this exam is all about, why is it different. So it just talks about all that here in detail. And then you have about the exam, then you got what skills you are going to learn in this, IT concepts and terminology, infrastructure, applications and software. You are going to understand software development, database fundamentals and security. Then you got who would benefit from this, why would you benefit from this. I am going to include this link in description so you can just go through this, and if you want to fill your details here, or you're going to get some practice questions from CompTIA and other things we have here. So I'm going to attach this link so that you can just go through that if you are planning to go for IT fundamentals. So this is what we have in lab, $29. You can see a different cost, depends on in which country you are planning to open this CompTIA store or CompTIA store, or planning to write the exam. But the labs are about how to set up a computer, how to navigate the Windows user interface, how to browse a website, how to use management interface, how to manage user account, how to use a search engine, how to manage software applications, how you are going to use scripting tools, programming tools, creating and using databases, specifying PC systems, how you configure input devices, how you plan audio, how you use a printer, So they assume that you don't have any idea about those things, how you add a removable drive, how you use file explorer, network settings, web security, file sharing, and then using Windows Defender and Windows Update. So this has got a lot of great content in this lab. So I would say for all those who are planning to go for IT fundamentals, this is a basic level certification which we have, because I was myself planning for this exam when I started, my career, when I was planning to start my career. So I was thinking where to start from. So this is going to be a good start point if you want to make your career in IT and you are from a non-IT background, or for others also, who have a little bit idea but you want to clear your basic concepts. So IT fundamentals from CompTIA is a certificate so that you can make your career. After that you can go to A plus, network plus, cloud plus, security plus, depends on your interest, but everywhere in your career you will be able to it will be easy for you when you move further if your concepts are clear. So I did this exam and it was easy for me because I spent a lot of time going through the content, going through the labs, going through the practice questions. And another thing is, if you want to search for those practice questions, you can just simply search for IT fundamentals, or you can just search for with the code ITF plus FC0 U61 practice questions, and you'll be able to see a lot of questions here from different sites, right? So you can go to YouTube, you can go to these sites here, you'll be able to see those practice questions. So you can do a little bit practice. See here, a lot of videos, or a lot of these sites are already available here. So I would say go for this exam, and you can write your IT fundamentals from CompTIA, and then once you get certified you can choose your other certifications. So thank you. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. I'll come up with some other interesting video. I'll see you in some other video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So with this I'm going to stop this video right now.